Yo, vad är det frätta? My name is Arnoldur, and today I'm gonna show you a super easy way to freeze your video footage. Did you see what I just did there? Alright, so the program we're gonna use today is Premiere Pro, but I bet that you can do this in any program. So the way that I always freeze my video footage is, this is how I do it. So let's say that we're just gonna pick a spot, and I like this spot right here, okay? Now what I do is that I just make first a cut here, and then you see this little frame here where it's an export frame. What this does, if you press it, it's gonna export, you know, a screenshot of exactly that frame. You see where I'm going? So we're making a picture. So we press OK, and it saves here in pictures for me. So here you can see where we have it. So I place it here. And now this is the beauty. Like this is, I really like just doing this because here I have total control. Alright, so you just then drag, you know, the picture, and you see it's frozen. So it looks like pam 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 pam, frozen. And now you just pick, you know, how long you want it to be. Let's say we have it here, and then you just add this back to, you know, where you wanted to stop. So it's frozen, 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 and then it goes from there. This is so simple, and this is how I always freeze my videos. I know that there are a few other ways, but this is the way I like the most. So to recap, you basically just find the place that you like in your editing software, and in Premiere Pro, remember, you have to find this little export frame, and you can also press Ctrl-Shift-E, and you export the frame, drag the picture into your editing software, and then onto, you know, where you cut, how long you want it to be, it's up to you, and then you just BAM! Smack, you know, the other end of the clip to that, fusing it together, and you will end up with something beautiful like this. And you can see this is art. Nice, right? Whoa! Alright, so that's about it for me today. Like always, if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments down below. I'll promise you that I will do my very best to answer. If you have any other... I just said that, right? If you could do me a solid and smack that like button, it would really help me out. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm out. Peace!